Money price in the back cart there, no. But and all of them they in that still. $1 million in them too.
Price now.
Boy, I buy a van in a rum place.
Yeah, man, I buy a van.
Yes, alright, look.
Not 5. No, I two.
2,500 buy.
I choose something, man. You don't care about show anywhere you buy. So, baby, don't. Me no run joke. Me know pin it, me come and me know pin it good. Lord.
Look how the girl match before.
Hold on, baby. Hold on.
Our market.
Hold on.
Our market.
But you not hear me.
Eh?
All right. Hold on. Lord God. You walk now. You send the brownie with it. Hold on. You send the brownie with it. All you have to do is tell them to see it on your TV. Wait, they must show the gold back the car. The advertisement. Now you buy one and you look in it to see whatever in there. If it's free, you go to them and then get the information where you get. I just say no, simple. Yeah.
Yes, it's on TV.
Yes, man. The gold one there. Price all $1 million in it. Last class, I'm going to find me. I took something and tell a lie. To God, me not telling a lie. And see, they are free you get, they know. Free now, so you have to just go in and just deal with them match and deal with them away and then tell you how you have to get it. Yeah. I just use the penalty in the boss. Yeah, man, just since you buy a drinks and you see the commercial on your TV where you win the gold car, you're surprised and you get all 50 million.
Oh, you see, but TV, JRC,
well, at two stations, I don't quite remember, but I know I see it. Every 7 o'clock, I watch news.
Yeah.
A TVJ, man. A TVJ. Yeah, come to 1J. Yeah, you see one stuff. Don't make it give me a chance to come here, man. Yeah.
I have a channel on YouTube, man. You can subscribe to it.
No, for real. Let me tell you now, I'm not telling no lie. I'm not really telling no lies still. So,
you can subscribe to the channel. It's a channel when they
you could have win bigger price too.
It's a fun channel.
I didn't go on when they see commercial on TV and
you
buy the things and
can subscribe to it. You can subscribe to it.
Yeah, man.
Rum Please TV. Rum Please
TV. Never out a product.
You know the party there? I will keep the party there in Rum Please. You know the party there?
Every party here, rum party. Oh, you're Christian. Well, I don't really say Christian no go party, you know. But what kind?
Yeah, what kind?
Okay.
She no got a party. And look how she look good.
Well, I don't look good got a party, you know.
I don't look good.
I got a party and look good, I'm going to get trouble. Because me and my woman got a party and he look good. And next one I wine pan it. When you bump up,
what you say
when
now?
you wine pan him and him feel and this sick run on car now and quick back out. I like it. Yeah. Come here, say it up, you know. Yeah. If you stop me, I have to go fling it, feet go up. Just quick. Quickie. You call her quickie.
So you're not giving a man the chance to wine for your woman?
No, really. Anyway, you want to wine pan, and a man a wine pan, but you don't know. You have to know what kind of wine.
No, but what I say? Me and my woman got.
Me not turn up really see a man a wine for my woman.
Alright, watch out. Let me show you something. Me got a party. Me is not the type of man to say, I go wine for my woman. Me, my woman will go wine for a man and me not have a problem with that.
No,
so you know depend that.
Well, if I don't kill this boy and then something there, where I look fuck anyway, because you have some man feel every woman then can fuck. You know me?
Because watch out, if me got a party still, you know, me and my girlfriend, you know, me not the type of 50 year old.
Look on the boy with down here, when hand chop off, the mother got this and he from and wine him mother. And he go from the man to wait till the come back. He said the man come back. The goat, I like goat. The man chop off the man hand. The blood clot up over the friendly.
You wine upon your mother? You wine upon your mother?
No lose wow. The left center must know that till I got the bother come. He said me come back and see teenager breed. Me a pray for one of breed. I'm not running. I have some little girl say, well, the old woman you breed. And a 50 years, we don't see no father. And he dead now, so my mother couldn't breathe again. He dead. Me say, mother do what? Road me. Lord, it's me mother breathe. He don't fuck up, but... Eh? No, me I tell you. No, for real, man.
But at least
No, well, I know. Alright, well, I don't know. You see me I tell you, Penny. Look, I know what me I tell you now. Logic thing, you know, Penny, from 7th grade. So when me I tell you now, you have to give me 100 for my prize, you know, because I didn't tell that shit to you.
You know what from 7th grade?
Penny!
Yeah.
Penny, I slap more and slap Penny down and go with that stone.
Really?
You see?
Knapsack?
Nap.
What is it?
Nap.
Snap. You get a packet that snap. You see, sometimes you go out and not
We say snack what go and get a package in a
packet
snack.
that snap.
Hey, me love the man. You know, me love the
Penny, you say you go up when you eat, you know, remember. Me hear?
What you call him?
Penny. I said they call me school.
He give me all the trouble to you know.
Penny.
He give me all.
I see me coming out.
So watch out. So when she come in a shorty skirt, I hold it out you when the dean later. Ask her for them. Ask her for them. When the dean say, you're not coming inside here today.
Hey, Penny, you're rough. You know, I work here, the rampant to me money, you know. Feast to the lines of pump in the big. When you don't income, $60. Him a work over there, pay everybody. This man now. Yo. Tell you this blood clot. Tell you, when you think of me, you think of me praise the little my blood clot, man, I even all this. You think me a man out there, me can reach blood clot this, me a looking for missing? You blood clot, man, I know the only weapon me have. Blood clot, yo. What? I mean, I slug him. Because the way me have a slug him, you know, he come like, he never expect me to really lick him because, boy, I'm afraid of him. Bust up him bumbo clot. Just a station for your thing.
When I call the person in where though?
Even the phone, you the lady say, where your phone number?
Please, Steve.
I want to tell you, boy, Mr. coming and Mr. Miss, you know, I'm not telling you, I'm not so bright, you know, but even boy, catch your number and he catch it and tell you. Mr.
So where you go and say sign the name, where you do?
It's when you say, sign my name, go to me, and blood clot.
You're not shake?
Me say, I don't know me, I got blood clot jail, no man, it's a pussy clot.
Alright, yeah. You put me in no fear. You don't know that. Boss. If you don't lose, I don't know people. I don't have an idea with that. Where's the going boss?
You don't know about blood clot.
Where's the...
Come on, blood clot.
Come on, man.
Hey, look man, come on, man.
Oh, some of you come on where you never blood clot get you. Some of you come on who want to know about. Yeah? Nothing of come on to you when you know about. You know about blood clot make you fuck me. I mean,
You know, come if you can't walk no more, so
mean,
where you want to come
except for me.
fuck your blood clot, self
Fuck
me.
you, time for me, yeah.
I'm gonna go like blood clot, like you never want to see man no come
What cool it for? Who are we doing the blood clot strength, yeah?
Rasta get back.
I don't know how full of so much strength with people. Walk